worries like a mother hen. He does.
On the road again. How's that song go?
Just can't wait to get on the road again. Like my love is making music with my friends. I can't wait to get on the road again. So, it's early. Yeah. Sun's just coming up. Not normally the time I like to get up. So I gotta go to work. But it's early. We are on the road headed north. Gonna stop by in the Chicago suburbs and pick up Mr. Overland USA, Michael Bogan, and he's gonna jump in here. We're gonna take a little trip up north to Wisconsin. Because I scored me a M16 military Jeep trailer. Well, we were doing well, making pretty good time. We got quite a ways up 294 here, and ran into traffic. One of the reasons I really dislike coming to Chicago, because the traffic is just killer. Although we're starting to move again now. I'd really hoped I was timing this out right so that we wouldn't run into too much of this traffic, but I don't know. Hopefully we'll get through this and get on down the road. Got a trailer to pick up. Well, good morning, Mr. Bogan. How are you?
Oh, just peachy.
That's right, Mr. Overland USA, Michael Bogan here. Come on in, man.
Battery.
Oh shit!
I want that on my butt.
Yeah, I really don't.
What's this for?
It's GoPro.
Which
GoPro 5. Hero 5. That's right. All right, so we made it to Mike's house. Stretch the legs for a minute before we continue on up to Wisconsin. Here, if we could check out this new ride that he just got. 2015, 18,000 miles. Yeah, that is a nice back bumper, man.
That's the SRC.
The SRC.
First generation.
Pretty beefy.
It's got plates that you can put like more lights.
Backup lights on it and stuff.
No, you can. You can put like rock lights.
Okay.
You see the plates that unscrew?
Yeah, there they are.
Yeah.
So they mount right into the bumper.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at. For the bumper I was going to put on mine was from Deegan, and it had Casey highlights built into it.
Oh, that's cool.
It was very nice bumper. Very nice bumper.
So
I know you're looking to replace this one, so
32.7. I think I'm liking the rear bumper.
right.
32.7 with
Well, this was the front bumper. This was
the front bumper. I prefer the stubby.
so. Yeah, this one's not stubby though. Love the color, man. Love the color. Yeah, I wish I could have got this color. Sharp, very sharp. Tires look pretty new. Yes, nice looking rig. Hey buddy, how are you? Yes, I haven't seen you in a while. Man, how you doing? Oh yeah. What's up, man? Haven't seen you since Kentucky.
Alright, ready to go back inside?
It's like, hell no, I just got out here.
Walk me in the morning sun. Tell me notion that I could be brave. Is there anything good on the radio? Turn it up loud and let me know how it used to be before anyone heard of you and me. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great. Running out of town just to celebrate. The fortune's here to stay. A one-way ticket to a better day.
It pulls like, I mean, there's really nothing, you don't feel like you got anything behind you, really.
Yeah, this is in pretty good shape.
It ain't bad, there's no holes, it's solid as can be. Like I said, these things are kind of indestructible, but it's going to need probably some tires on it. But,
Yeah, I'm gonna do tires.
but it'll get you home, and you can pull it on the road 60, 70 miles an hour, and it won't, lights
work?
Lights are working. Lights are working when I left anyway.
Okay.
The original lights and stuff are on there.
I wonder if they just don't work, or if they just wanted something different, or what?
I'm not sure. I'm sure they probably would work if they were probably just need to be rewired or something.
Yeah, they're 24 volt.
Yeah, it looks like, they are 24 volts, so I bet you he just stuck some on there rather than rewire.
But you can see this is the original spring for the pintle and everything is there. I just don't know how this was good.
Well, that actually, they actually made these.
Oh, did they?
Yeah, they actually did. So I think that's an issued one.
That's what it is anyway.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Well, it ain't new. It's 50 years old.
Yeah, it is, exactly.
Hold on to what is real. The love you feel is like water in a glass. Don't try to.
All right, so we're in Madison on the way home with the trailer. We checked tires and the hubs because we didn't know when it had been greased last. And the passenger side hub was running pretty hot. So we didn't know exactly what was going on with it. So we found some guys in Madison at Alliance Trailer, and they're taking a look at it. It looks like we got a brake that's hung up. The e-brake on these M416s. And this one's been sitting a while. Got a little rusty, still hung up. It was making the hub pretty hot. So these guys are taking care of it for us here, see if we can't get her back on the road quickly. Another little bit here.
Should have had it.
Do you want to check the other one while we're here? Just make sure. There we go. Much better. Much better. Spins much better now. There we go. All right, so we just got out of the road out of Madison. Stopped at Alliance Trailer Repair. They fixed us right up. It was a brake that was hung up on the passenger side. Driver's side was good. So, yeah, Big Mike over here. Say hello, Big Mike, Mr. Overland USA.
Hello, Big Mike, Mr. Overland USA.
So, yeah, when we stopped for gas, we were checking tires, and Mike checked the hubs to see, you know, if they were warm or not, see if we had any kind of issues going on.
Guess what? They were warm.
One of them was warm.
On the passenger side, yeah.
That's right, the passenger side was warm.
Yeah. Hot to the touch.
It was hot to the touch, yes. Wasn't critical, but if we kept going, it may have heated up more, so it's better to get it looked at. But, you know, the guys at Alliance were fantastic. They pulled us right in, took a peek at it, fixed us right up. We were in and out in 20 minutes. Got us back on the road, so big shout out to Alliance Trailer up in Madison. And rates were reasonable. It was like 40 bucks, 45 bucks they charged me to do this. and jumped right on it, got us back on the road. Good group of guys up there. Big shout out. Thank you, Alliance Trailer.
Brian.
Brian?
Brian was your mechanic.
Brian was our mechanic.
And Lyle was the shop manager.
Lyle was the shop manager, yes. So they did a great job. So we're back on the road.
On the road again.
We got about...
got my feet back on the ground again.
Got a little less than 2 hours to get to Mike's house. And then I'll continue on down to Champaign after a gourmet meal that his wife is preparing. Again. So, stay tuned. We got a lot of video coming up with this trailer. Going to be doing a lot of stuff. Going to try to get it ready for Expo East here. Get a few basic things done. Get some new tires on it. I don't know if we'll get an axle or a hubs done so we can put different rims on it right away.
Let's just spend some money. You just can't wait to spend some money. Tires, wheels, all this shit that you don't need because you're going to need different tires when you change the tires on your Jeep.
But I need the tires because these are dry rotted and cracked.
The tires. Just drive them until they blow up.
Okay, I don't want to blow out on the highway at 70 miles an hour.
You're not going too far. You don't need them. Expo's not till next month.
Yeah, and so in the next month I have to change the tires.
In the next month?
Yes.
To 37s.
No. 31s. We're going to go 31s on there for now. And then we'll figure out what we're going to do with the rest of it. He worries like a mother hen, he does.
On the road again. How's that song go?
Just can't wait to get on the road again. Like my love is making music with my friends. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Band of gypsies, we go down the highway. My way. On the road again. And I don't know the rest of the words to this song.
Just keep making them up as we go along.
Yes.
On the road again.
Karaoke with The Unbeaten Path and Overland USA. So, all right, stay tuned, guys. Lots of good videos coming up. Get this trailer built up for Expo a little bit, and then over the winter, do a full restore, rooftop tent lid, the whole 9 yards. So that way next spring we can roll it out. Have some adventures. That's right, baby.
Promises.
Oh, and we deliver. All right, peace out, guys.